Hello guys, so today we have an easy question. Take the gifts from the richest file. So you're given an integer array gifts denoting the number of gifts in various files. Okay, so 0th file has 25 gifts, first file has 64 gifts and so on. Choose the file with the maximum number of gifts. Okay, so in one go, provided that k doesn't exhaust, so you have to perform the following operations. Choose the file with maximum number of gifts. In this case it's 100 in the first round. The last pile is chosen and 10 is left behind. So what is left behind? If there is more than one pile with maximum number of gifts, suppose there is 200 with the same, so you have to take the first 100, means not the second one, the last one. Leave behind the floor of the square root of the number of gifts in the pile. So in the place of last element, because it is the greatest element, so you have picked up this in the first go. You have to iterate it, means you have to do it 4 times. K is the number of seconds, so it will leave behind. So square root of 10 is square root of 100 is 10, so you have to leave behind 10, or otherwise if it comes in point you have to give the floor value. Okay, in the final round you have to choose 10, because in the fourth round the 10 will be the maximum, so it will the square root of 10 is 3 point something, so you have to give the floor value. Likewise you have to perform it k times. Same here, k times you have to perform. So going to the logic, I have used the recursion here. So this is the given values. I have called the function and provided the array and the seconds. And this is a static function. I'm calling it directly, and long should be written because the return type of the method is long. So I've taken the long, and long is the sum of all the elements remaining after performing all the operation in k times. So k is a number. I have taken a sum as 0. So provided that k doesn't exhaust, I will do the k minus minus. I will sort the list so that the largest element come at the last. So now I have to update the last element, which is gifts dot length minus 1. What I have to update? I have to update the floor value of the square root. So I have used the math function which is in the java.lang. So I have taken the square root of the last element because the last element is the greatest element, and then I have taken the floor value and converted into int because the return type of floor is double and I am storing in the int value. So I have typecast it. I will perform this method k times. K times the number of seconds. I am calling the same function again and I am providing the updated array. So after going through this if statement 4 times, k is 4, so it will come out and I will do the sum is the long because the return type is long. I will sum it up and return the sum, which will come here and print the values.